How to remove a page from Meta Business Suite. If any day you would like to remove your page from Meta Business Suite, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Facebook on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to tap on Facebook on your mobile device. After you tap on Facebook on your mobile device, your very Facebook page will be launched. After that, you have to go to the profile section on the right side. You have to scroll down until you find the option from Meta. After that, you can see the option of Threads, Meta Business Suite and WhatsApp. Now you have to tap on the option of Meta Business Suite. Now one thing that you have to keep in mind is, in order to use the Meta Business Suite, you have to download it and you have to install it in your mobile phone. In order to do that, you have to go to the Play Store, you have to search Meta Business Suite, and then you have to install the very application on your mobile device, and only then you will be able to use the feature. And after you have already installed it, now you have to go to the option of Meta Business Suite, and after you tap on that, now your very page will be opened in the Meta Business Suite. Now you have to go to the three lines on the right side, that is the tools option, and then you have to see this very option out there. And after again, you have to go to the option of the home side, and you have to scroll down and you have to go to the option of explore, and you can see the other various options as well, and you have to go to the very option of the tapping there. Now you can just tap on your icon like that, and you can just log out from your very device out here by going to the settings, and you can go to the option of log out, and you can log out from the Meta Business Suite. Otherwise, you can just go back and you can also change this to the another page you want, and this way as well you can very log out from the device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.